Hi, this is Dale Guiducci with ERA Credit Services. And if you're in the Tampa Bay area, Clearwater, St. Pete, and you're interested in or in need of improving your credit score, I'm going to share with you some information that can save you a lot of time and a lot of money. I'll be right back. So welcome back. I'm going to make the assumption for this video that you are looking for help to improve your credit score. Now, traditionally, that's called credit repair, which is the removal of derogatory items from your credit report. And there's a lot of companies in this area that do that. But here's the problem with credit repair companies. Credit repair doesn't always work. I just said it. Credit repair doesn't always work. Why? Because it depends on so many different factors. It depends on your creditors, the number of accounts that you have, are they open or closed account, the age of the accounts, the type of accounts. There's so many varying factors on top of the fact that you got to work within the federal law, and that adds another complexity to the whole thing. So credit repair doesn't always work. So if you have the types of negative items that can't be removed or are not removed, you'll get no result. And you're going to be upset and you're going to wasted a lot of time and a lot of money. But even if the credit repair company can remove a few items, that only affects 35% of your credit score. It's called payment history. 35%. Why not work on 100% of your credit score? That's our message. Let's work on 100% of your credit score so we can get the biggest boost possible to your credit score. You see, credit repair, which is the attempted removal of erroneous and obsolete items, that's just one way to help you improve your credit score. We look at every possible way to help you improve your credit score. Not only do we help with the negative items that you might have, but we also look at building the positive side of your credit reports, the positive side of your credit profile. Build that side as well. So we also educate you on some things that you may not know about that could have a tremendous impact on your credit score. So we equip you with the information to help you now, for sure, but it's going to help you long after you're no longer a client of ours. So we just don't give you a one-size-fits-all approach to your credit score because your situation and your credit reports are unique to you. You see, personal credit is like a fingerprint. Right? It's not a one-size-fits-all. No two people have the same fingerprint. No two people have the same credit challenges, credit scores, credit reports. So why do credit repair companies only have one solution for everybody? So if what I'm saying makes sense, here's what you need to do. Just go to our website, eracreditservices.com, www.eracreditservices.com. You can click on the credit tab at the top of any page and look at what our solution is. You know, look around, see, watch some videos. We've got a lot in there for you to look at. But the bottom line is you want to go to the bottom of the page. Down at the footer, they call it, in black, there's a tab that says book a phone appointment there. We want to book a phone appointment with you so that we can talk with you and learn about you so that we can cater a plan that is unique to your credit challenges. So at the bottom of every page, book a phone appointment. You'll see a calendar that pops up. You can choose a day and a time that fits your schedule. We'll call you at that day and time, and we'll have a 20-minute conversation. It takes about 20 minutes. We want to find out what's going on with you. We want to explain our services. We want to give you an opportunity to ask your questions so you can feel confident, comfortable, and informed so that you can make that informed decision. And check this out. The cost of us working on 100% of your credit score versus 35% like other credit repair companies is just $3 a day. It's a Starbucks latte every single day. We provide the most affordable, the fastest, and most effective credit services in the country right here in this area. So book a phone appointment, and we look forward to talking with you. Take good care. Top is hot.